discuss about parts of keyboard. And now let's start. So what is the meaning of keyboard?
Computer keyboard is a peripheral input device modeled after the typewriter keyboard, which uses an arrangement of buttons or keys to act as mechanical levers or electronic switches, replacing early punch cards and paper tape technology. Interaction via telephone-style keyboards have been the main input method for computer since the 1970s, implemented by the computer mouse since the 1980s.
How are the key organized? They are organized based on their function. What is the different parts of keyboard? 1. Typing key aka alphanumeric key. 2. Control key. 3. Function key. 4. Navigation key. 5. Numeric key. And 6. Indicator.
Keys aka alphanumeric keys. Their keys included the numbers, letter, punctuation, and symbol key. They are located in the middle of the key.
Control key. They are used alone or in a combination to perform certain actions. Example of these are Alt, Control, slow key, and Escape. Function key. These keys are used to perform a certain task and they are labeled as F1 and F12. They have different functions. Navigation key. These are the keys we use to move around in document, etc. It includes home and page, up, page down, delete, and insert, and the arrows. Numeric key. The numeric key are handy for typing numbers only because you can type numbers more quicker. They are grouped together in a block like a calculator and you can find them in a corner of the keyboard. This slide show whether or not the numlock, caps lock, or scroll lock are enabled or disabled. If the light turn on, it means that is enabled.